this the goal of my life. Through blessings and sorrows, to the end I will follow, and make this the goal of my life. I fix my eyes on the prize, the author of my faith, my life. Help me keep looking straight ahead. And on this long and winding road I've strayed, I've traveled on my own. It's only in surrender I can stay upon this road that will someday lead me home. It's the goal of my life. Oh, through the blessings, Lord, oh, through the sorrows, to the very end, Lord, I wanna follow and make this the goal of my life. Though the days seem dark sometimes, though the road seems far, oh, I wanna follow, and make this the goal of